Wanted to talk a little bit about IPD plenums, all right? One of the most exciting things, well, I think the most exciting things today is the plenum that we're doing in the car. Always got something going on at the shop, so I just wanted to make a quick video describing how this system works and why you should install this on your Boxster and a 911 if you're thinking about getting more power, getting a little bit more torque on the low end. This must be the upgrade that you do. Any other upgrade right now at this point, it's pretty much useless. The reason why this is so important is when you put the IPD plenum in, okay, you're getting airflow. In order for your Y section here of the plenum to distribute air evenly into bank 1 and bank 2, you need this piece. Comparing to the factory piece, your car is suffering from maximum airflow and maximum smoothness, basically. This creates turbulence. Do you want to take this piece, chuck it, put this on? And these have been dynoed and tested, so I know they work because I actually run this on my Porsche. This will work on your vehicle. You will see right away improvements in the lower to mid-range. If you want something that actually adds power to your car and don't waste money on all these other bolt-on components that will charge you thousands of dollars, and you want to actually get the results that you want, just put this on, keep your stock exhaust. You could probably make it a little bit better in the future. All right, I'm going to show you how we actually install these and what it looks like. Engine is going to be already dropped out of the car, and that's pretty much going to show you what needs to be done. Okay, so now I'm going to show you with the old 90-degree style plenum. So now I'm going to stick this in here like this. This is just a demonstration. We're obviously going to clean all this up. It's going to sit something like this. We're still going to have the seals, and then you're going to have a throttle body here, and you're going to have this silicone hose that's going to go to your filter housing. There's also going to be a block-off plate on the filter housing. When we actually install this engine back into the car, I'm going to go over and show you what it looks like installed. And when we put these in, the most important thing is to smoke test the car to make sure there's no vacuum leaks, because then you're just wasting your time with vacuum leaks and everything, because sometimes these won't seat properly. Like these old ones here, we're going to take off, we're going to clean the old clamps, the old seals. Sometimes they have to be replaced because they harden. So when we do these, we test them to make sure that there's no problem. These also leak, so you want to make sure we want to make sure always there's no vacuum leaks when we install these. So it's very important you have a smoke machine to do it, and that's why it's best to get somebody that's comparable, that does this, a shop that works on these vehicles, to get it installed, because if you have vacuum leaks, you're just pretty much, you know, robbing your horsepower and ruining your engine because it's going to run rich. Ended up putting the 82mm GT3 throttle body on this M96 engine, so we're getting ready to put this intake housing. So the 82mm throttle body requires you to have an 82mm plenum because the bolt pattern is going to be much wider and broad. So what you'll need to do is, if you're going to do the 82, you want to go ahead and order it already as 82. This is the cap that also blocks off the original housing when you put the IPD silicone one. Okay, so our IPD plenum has been finished. Time to show everyone what it looks like. This is it. As I mentioned earlier, we did the GT3 throttle body. There's your IPD plenum. Kind of hard to see in there, but everything on this vehicle has been upgraded pretty much. So now he can squeeze max power out of this 996. Pretty nice looking vehicle. I love it. It's one of my favorite colors. This is the seal gray. Very nice vehicle. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.